Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. So today we will going to discuss about the chapter, one new chapter we are going to discuss, and the chapter name is, I am writing from the pencil, the chapter name is constructions from class 7 CBSE mathematics, of course my favorite R.S. Agarwal math book. Okay, so there be two exercise in R.S. Agarwal. First is EX 17A, second is 17B. First is 17A, second is 17B. 17A is very easy. The 17A, the construction of 17A is quite similar to the construction of class 6. So that is very easy, not so tough. So I am going to start exercise 17B. That is the construction of triangle, mainly the construction of triangle. And so without delaying, I am just going to start it. So here comes the book of construction, exercise 17B. First come to the question. We will do question number 13. Construct a right triangle having hypotenuse of length 5.6 centimeter and one of its acute angle measure 30 degree. So first we should do a rough sketch. Right, we have to construct a right triangle whose hypotenuse is given. So hypotenuse is 5.6 centimeter. So the rough sketch should be like this. First we are going to draw this as hypotenuse, that is 5.6 centimeter obviously. Okay, next one angle is 90 degree, one acute angle is 30 degree. So obviously we have to find the other acute angle. So since it is a right triangle, so this is if this is the hypotenuse, this is obviously 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, so we should take this angle is 30 degree. So obviously this angle is 180 minus 90 plus 30, that is 60 degree. This angle will be 60 degree. So here we will draw 30 degree. Here we will draw 60 degree. Understood? So first we have to draw 5.6 centimeter. So 5.6 centimeter, that is here 5.6. This is 0. This is 5.6 centimeter. 5.6. Okay. Next, this we have to draw 60 degree. Or if we draw 30 degree over here, that is also no problem. This 60 degree, and here we are going to draw 30 degree. So this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree. Again we are joining this. So obviously if we measure this angle, this angle, this obviously this should be 90 degree. As you can see, this should be how much? 90 degree. So this angle would be 90. Okay, then this is 60 and this is 30 degree. Understood? And if we named it this as A as B, this is C. So this ABC is my required right triangle. Now move to this is question number 13 from R.S. Agarwal. Obviously we are doing EX 17B, exercise 17B. Next, question number 12. Construct a right triangle, one side of which measure 3.5 centimeter and the length of whose hypotenuse is given 6 centimeter. So hypotenuse is given 6 centimeter and one side is given 3.5 centimeter. So I am taking that side 3.5 centimeter here. This is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Next, since it's a right angle triangle, so we have to draw 90 degree right angle over here. This is the right angle. Next, we have to take a measure of 6 centimeter. So for that we are taking one measure 6 centimeter. This is the measure of 6 centimeter. Yes. Okay. Next, we have to take this point and cut it. This point and cut it over here. Okay. So this cut point and this point we have to join. This point we have to join. So this A is B, this C. So this ABC is my required triangle, where BC is equal to 3.5 centimeter, AC is equal to obviously 6 centimeter, and this is obviously 90 degree. Next, come to question number 11. Question number 11. Hope you are able to see it. Next, question number 11. What is given in question number 11? Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, angle C is equal to 90 degree, and AB is equal to 6.3 centimeter. So BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. So obviously this is 4.8, I think. BC 4.8 centimeter. This is BC. BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Okay. BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. So here we have to draw 90 degree. Here we have to draw 90 degree. Okay. So BC we have already drawn, and here we are drawing 90 degree, where angle C is equal to 90 degree, and AB is equal to 6.3. So next we have to take one measure of 6.3 centimeter. 6.123 is 6.3 centimeter. So next we are taking this measure of 6.3 centimeter. Okay, next we have to take it here, cut it over here. This would be AB. This is AB. So AB is equal to 6.3 centimeter. BC is equal to, obviously BC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, and this is equal to 90 degree. So this is 11. Next come to question number 10. Question number 10. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB is given. AB is equal to 7 centimeter. Question number 10. Angle A is equal to 45, angle C is equal to 75. So here it is given that AB is equal to 7 centimeter, angle A is equal to 45 degree, angle C is equal to 75 degree. So obviously angle B is equal to 180 minus 45 plus 75. Okay, so if we calculate it, we are getting 60 degree. So here first we have to take AB, that's equal to 7 centimeter. AB, that's equal to 7 centimeter. Next, this is AB, if we named it AB. Next, in angle A we have to draw 45 degree. First we have to draw 90 degree over here. Students, for construction you have to sharp your pencil also. Okay, this is 90 degree. Now this is 45 degree. This is the bisection of the angle 45 degree. No, 45 degree. Okay, so this is 45 degree. Now here we have to draw 60 degree. So obviously if this is A, this is B, this is C, so obviously angle C is equal to 75 degree. This is 75 degree, this is 45 degree, and this is 60 degree, and ABC is my required triangle. This is the construction of 7. Next come to construction 9. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 5.8 centimeter, angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 30 degree of measure angle AB and AC. What do you observe? Okay, this is from question number 9 from CBSE Maths class 7, question number 9. Okay. Question number 9. Let me sharp my to construct a triangle. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 5.8 centimeter. So BC is equal to 5.8 centimeter. BC this is BC equal to 5.8 centimeter. Angle B and angle C is equal to 30 degree. So in angle B and angle C we have to draw 30 degree.
আর রুটি বানাই এখানে সত্যি হ্যাঁ
Okay. BC, this is, we named it this as A. Now we have to measure AB and AC. Now if we observe AB and AC both, suppose we are observing this as 3.3 centimeter, and let us check for this. This is also 3.3 centimeter. So AB equal to BC equal to 3.3 centimeter. So both are same. That means what we observe, that the side opposite to equal angle of a same triangle are same. This is 30 degree. So this is AC is equal to 3.3 centimeter, and this is 30 degree. So this is here also 3.3 centimeter. Understood? And the drawing is an isosceles triangle with equal side AB and BC. Next, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 6.2 centimeter, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 45 degree. It's a very easy question. Question number 8 is also very easy. We have to construct a triangle ABC where BC is equal to 6.2 centimeter, BC is 6.2, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, and here we have to draw 45 degree. 45 degree. That is, first we have to draw 90 degree, then bisect. Here see we have to draw 60 degree, then we can produce both two, we will get ABC. Okay. So that's the process. Next, come to question number 7. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB and AC are given. Angle A is given. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. It is also a very easy question. Question number 7. AB we have to draw. AB is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Then this AB, then AC, AD, then AC that is also 5.2 centimeter. Angle A is equal to 120 degree. Here we have to draw 120 degree. 120 degree we have to draw here. This is 120 degree. So AB is equal to 5.2. AC is equal to, this is AC. Okay. Now if we join it, we will get, ABC, the required triangle. Understood? Next we have to draw AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Next we have to draw AD that perpendicular to BC. So since it is an isosceles triangle, this is 5.2 centimeter, this is 5.2 centimeter. So if we draw the bisector of this angle, that should be the perpendicular to BC. So if we draw the bisector of this angle, means bisector of this angle, the bisector of this angle should be the perpendicular to this side BC. Okay. So that's the process. So that's it for this construction video. Rest of the maths are very easy from question number 6 to question number 1. Okay. So students, you should try it in your home. Hope you will have understood it and able to do it. If you have any problem, then tell me. Okay. So that's it for this video. Next we will come and join in our next video. Till then, keep watching my channel and please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.